Ora, bom dia, mais um caminho, sair de Zafra, hoje destino Mérida, é mais curto e não tem tantas subidas, espero eu, até logo.
As I pedal away from the historic center, the road gently rises. The city fades behind me, and ahead, open land, rolling hills, and the quiet pulse of the Camino. The morning air is crisp. There's a certain kind of peace in being alone with the rhythm of the wheels and the sounds of waking nature. A few kilometers in, I pass through Los Santos de Maimona. A sleepy village, still stretching into the day. Not long after, I reach Villafranca de los Barros, a town known for its music, wine, and warm-hearted locals. It's a good spot to rest, grab a café con leche, and chat with other pilgrims. From here, the land flattens. The route stretches straight across a vast plain, framed by vineyards and olive groves. The sun begins its slow climb, and heat rises from the red earth. These moments test your body, but free your mind. Here, the Camino isn't just a path. It becomes a meditation. Near Almendralejo, signs of modern life appear, warehouses, distant traffic, a railway line. But the Camino keeps its distance, curving around the edge of the city like a secret. The vineyards here feed the famous wines of the region. Even the air carries a trace of grapes and dust. In this landscape, shade is gold. I stop beneath an old oak, legs resting, eyes scanning the horizon. There's no rush. On the Camino, the destination is important. But the moments in between? That's where the soul of the journey lives. As the kilometers pass, I begin to feel the pull of history. Mérida waits ahead, once known as Augusta Emerita, a Roman city of grandeur. You sense it before you see it. The aqueduct, the archways, the stones beneath your wheels whisper stories that go back thousands of years. The Roman bridge over the Guadiana River is one of those moments that stops time. To cross it on a bicycle, as pilgrims have walked it for generations, is something unforgettable. The water glimmers, the city rises gently, and for a moment, you're part of a thread that weaves through the ages.
Mérida. direção ao albergue. Praça de Espanha de Mérida, lá em cima umas cegonhas.
Just past Mérida, the Camino becomes quiet again. A few final kilometers to Aljucén, a small village that feels like a pause. It's humble, silent, and perfect. The golden light of evening rests gently on the fields. My legs are tired. My heart is full. From Zafra to Aljucén. 60 kilometers of space, silence, and stories. This path, this ancient road, has a way of changing how you see the world. And tomorrow, it continues. Another sunrise. Another stretch of the way. One pedal stroke at a time.